guys, we are about to do something insane right now. Wow, that is... Alright, welcome back to another Axel review, and today you will be seeing us touring the Midway. I think this is one, this was used in the Korean War. We are touring it. It's a lot bigger than it looks on camera. That's the radar system deal. This was used in the Korean War. And I think World War II. I think it went to Vietnam too, I don't know. But I saw something on Vietnam. It said like ship battle Vietnam. Yeah, that's crazy. So we're just gonna tour it and show you guys some of it. So yeah. We're going up into the aircraft carrier right now. We're on the stairs. Let me show you guys. So we're just gonna go up there to get to the aircraft carrier. So yeah. Alright, so we're walking up the stairs right now. That's so big. Wow. Alright. We're going on. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. So they're yeah, I'm not sure if that's a nuke or... Okay, so I just had to take a test with this thing to get my pilot wings. I'm honestly, I don't know. So yeah, I guess we just listen to it and then we go get our wings or something. I don't know, y'all. Damaged area. So right here where the red is a damaged area on the Midway. So, it's not good.
Did you hear did you hear it all?
Just chilling in a plane seat that went across the world right now.
Airplane?
Yep, keep you guys updated. Go in this like cockpit area up there, but the line is huge. So I'm just gonna take you guys over here. Okay, it says right here, the engine that won the war. And it's just this. I could seriously stare at this for 10 years. No joke. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at all this stuff works. That's kind of cool. That's cool. Alright, we're getting in right now. This looks so cool. You guys have to see this. Look at this. Turn this to neutral. Yeah, I don't even know. This is so cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out. Just got off this virtual reality thing, what it was to be like in an F-16 jet. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. It was really cool. So if you ever come to the Midway in San Diego, you gotta tour it. It's really cool. So that's all I gotta say. See you guys in the next clip. Okay, so there's supposed to be like some big bomb down here.
Oh, wow.
If you want to take a picture, lay the camera all the way down.
Alright.
Otherwise, you get a glare.
Oh, yeah.
You have a big glare. Even if half an inch away, you get a glare.
That's cool.
You know what that is?
What?
That's the engine for the F-18.
That's an engine? That's a big engine.
Yep. They got two of them on each end.
Wow.
This is the engine for the F-18, is that what you said? That's a simulator.
The F-18s are up on top.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah.
We just read the
I thought that was a nuke. Look at that. Oh wait, there's a ship down there. I guess it has to stay by its side to make sure nothing happens. Look at that. That's so cool. And there's a plane up there. I don't know if we can go up there and explore it, but if we can, I'm gonna catch it on camera. That's cool. Oh, here is the... Is this Coronado? Wait, no. That is Coronado, where we rode the Surrey in my latest video. Wait, no, my latest video was like the boat one. But yeah, that's where we rode the Surrey. Go check that video out. It's right here. Look at it. So we're going up the stairs right now to the planes. There's downtown San Diego. Yeah, we're going up to see the planes and the helicopters right now. So, I'll show you guys that right now. Alright, so there's that plane at the, whoa, it's like a F-18, I think. That's cool. Then we got this thing right here. We just came from those stairs.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, and then we got this one. This place has got a lot of stuff. Like, here, I think we can get closer to it. That is a cool plane. And there's this little Jeep Rover deal. There's another one. Oh wait, we can go up there? Guys, I gotta do that. I gotta get that on camera. I'm going up there. Yeah, I got to. Got this right here. This is pretty cool. That building is under construction. It's kind of lit. So, if you didn't know already, we have these things right here. We have to scan these.
These are guns?
And hit the gun. I have to scan these in here all about the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan mine.
Stand back just a little bit. Amazing listening to the naval pilots tell their battle stories. You know, all
Yeah.
these guys are actual pilots.
Yeah. So I tried turning up the volume all the way there. Hopefully you guys could hear it. I turned up the volume as far as I could. So yeah. Okay, so we're entering the plane thing right now. Hold on, I gotta get a picture, guys. Alright, this is what it looks like. This is insane. Brace, we gotta go. I've played Flight Simulator a few times, so yeah, I've driven a few of these before. I should be in the Navy. What do you think? Yeah, I should most likely definitely be in the Navy. Oh wait, that's a nuke. So, we got some more helicopters over here. This one's pretty big. Sorry about that, guys. I kind of launched a nuke back in that F1 deal, so that's why they just told me to shut up. Yeah, I kind of launched a nuclear bomb in the F1, and so like that's why it's kind of like closed off down there. Everyone's like around it. It's like kind of launched a nuke, and I thought it would give me a candy bar, right? It said Yeah, it said like MMOB, and I'm like, bet, mother of all candy bars. So I pressed the button, and it was the mother of all bombs. Yeah. So anyways, I'm glad I wasn't caught there launching a nuclear weapon on a huge grand ship. What's that? That's not even Coronado. Coronado's down there. Coronado's cool. There's a few other naval ships. Some people on jet skis. Yep. There's these planes right here that just went across. I don't know what that was for, but it's kind of cool. Alright, so we're going inside of this plane. It's cool. It's like crossed off right there. But this place is lit. I'm gonna go. No, we're locked in. This is pretty cool. Wait, what is that say? Yo, I'm trying not to launch any nukes today. So I've already launched 2 of a bunch of them. But that just looks so cool. I'm in complete control of America right now. Well, not really. This thing is just like kind of moving. But we do have the... Bro, why do I keep seeing all these nuke things? Let's just say I launched a few of these. I don't know how to stop or when to stop. But I've already launched 4 nuclear weapons on this boat. I think I might be banned from here. Bro, I mean, like, half the boat just snapped in half because I launched some nukes, bro. Like, look at it. You can only see a little bit. Like, hold on. You can only see a little bit. That's so weird. Well, it's not weird because I blew up half of the ship. Yeah, I think I might be banned from the ship because I blew up half of it. All I gotta say is, that's a lot of pineapples. Dude, seriously, that's a lot of pineapples. I just entered this room, and there's like all these people. Oh my gosh, there's like, this is actually lit.
This is like Top Gun on steroids.
For real though. Hey, bet. No, maybe I shouldn't press any more buttons, considering I've already launched 4 nukes at the aircraft carrier. Yeah. Can't go that way. Maybe there's like an exit. Well, not an exit, but like a... I'm about to get lost in this ship. This ship is so big. Oh, bet. Oh, is that a new? No, maybe I shouldn't press that. Yeah, I probably shouldn't press that. I know, I just picked somebody.
This is all Vietnam in 1960s.
Vietnam.
All the way to 1973.
doesn't press. Okay. I'm just gonna press this and see what happens. Oh, good thing it doesn't press. Wait. Wait, what's that rumbling? Oh no. Well, that is the end of the Midway tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the memes in the middle of it. Like the capybara, she's still laughing from that. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. Capybara is kind of like my prop deal that I just put in for memes. Alright, anyways, like, subscribe, do it. Or I will launch some more nukes at your house.